Hi, I'm Luiza and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful Valentine's Day card using watercolors. I'm following along one of Andrea Nelson's tutorials and I must say I find it really relaxing. You should definitely check out her channel as well, as she has great tutorials and videos for watercoloring. If you have a thicker black pen or marker, you should use that, but I didn't. So after I traced the initial lines, I started making them thicker. Once I finish making all of the lines thicker, I'm just going to start filling in all of those sharp corners. And now that this is done, we can start by painting the heart. I'm going to use different shades of red because I want the heart to be the traditional red color, but of course you can do whatever you like here. Unfortunately, my black pen wasn't completely dried, so the black ink seeped a bit into the watercolor, but hey, that's okay. And now for the rest of the pieces, I'm going to use whatever colors I feel like painting in the moment, and what I think would look great, of course. If you enjoyed this kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, like the video and maybe even leave a comment. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, like the video, and maybe even leave a comment. See you on the next one. Bye!